Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make plain Masoor Dal. So let us start the recipe. I hope you all are well, fit and fine watching my videos. If you like my channel, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share, comment. So I have taken half bowl of red dal. This is red dal Masoor Dal. So today I am going to make plain Masoor Dal and it will be very tasty and you will not need any vegetables along with it to eat. You can eat plain dal and rice. So and it will be very healthy also. So come on, let us start the recipe. First of all, I am going to wash this dal. I have washed the dal. Now I am going to boil this dal in the karai. I am making the dal in the karai today. So put some salt, put some saffron and let the dal boil. You can see the dal is cooked. Now I'll move this aside and do the next step. Put in some mustard oil. Put some black mustard seeds. Put 3 dry chilies, red dry chilies. Put the onions. Put the curry leaves. I will not fry the onions too brown. The onions are turned pinkish brown. So I am going to put the cut of tomatoes. I will put very little salt because I have already put salt in the dal. I will let the tomato cook with the onions. You can see the tomatoes are cooked up. Now I will put some sambar masala. You can put 1 teaspoon of sambar masala. Now I will put the boiled dal in it. I won't make the dal thin, I will make the dal thick. So I'm not going to put any more water. Now let this boil for 2 minutes. The dal is boiled up. Now I'm going to take it down. Plain Masoor Dal is ready to be eaten. Very tasty, yummy.